What's up, Boxer? Welcome to your 10 minutes of high-intensity interval training. In the next 10 minutes, one thing I promise you personally is I'm going to try my best to get that heart rate going as high as possible and pushing those limits, all right? So let's not waste any time. Let's get cracking. Our first one are shuffles on the spot. We start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All I want you to do is stay on the ball of your foot and make sure that your toe and heel cross each other. That's all you want to do. Get that heart rate going, slow, controlled initially, and then we're going to pick it up, okay? We've got 20 more seconds on this. Stay on your toes, guys. Don't let your heels hit the floor. If you want to use your elbows, you can do that as well. Makes it just feel a lot more natural, a lot more cooler. Remember, we work for 40 seconds. We take 20 seconds break for our 10-minute workout. We finish in 3, 2, 1. Excellent, 20 seconds break. Next one are in and out squats. What are those? You come in with your heels, you jump out, touch the floor, come back up. Then you go jump out, touch the floor, come back up with the opposite hand. Cool, non-stop, in 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. Jump out, touch the floor. Once with your right, once with your left. As you can see, I am not rounding my back and I'm not leaning forward. I'm trying to keep that back as upright as I can when I do my in and out squats. Whew. Come on, pick it up. Let's get that heart pumping up. 20 seconds more, fam. Come on. Drop those hips as low as possible, or the minute you touch the floor, you come back up, all right? Keep going, less than 10 seconds. You get 20 seconds break after this. You got 3, 2, 1, break. Excellent, beautiful. Next ones are twist jumps, okay? On the spot itself, all you want to do is stay on the ball of foot and you go twist, in, other side, in, other side, in. So once left, once right, torso stays straight ahead, right? Only our lower body turns. We go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Turn. 9 o'clock, come back in. 12 o'clock, turn 3 o'clock, come back in. On the ball of your foot. Keep going. Slowly work that torso to turn. Keep the shoulders pointing 12 o'clock, as always. Don't let your heels touch the floor, guys. Make sure you're on the ball of your foot. If your calves do tend to hurt, that is okay. Take a small breather. Take count till 3, and then go back again. Keep going. We've got 5 seconds, that's all left. 3, 2, 1. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now the next one, fairly simple. Nothing complicated at all. All you want to do is run high knees, go forward, and then come backwards. All right, if you have the mat, you want to go at the length of the mat, or else just go 3 steps forward, 2 steps back. Let's get started, go, go. Come on, drive those knees, work those hands. Imagine running, if you're just going forward and then coming back. Don't let your heel touch the floor, guys. I want you to really push yourself to drive those knees as high as possible. Keep going. 15 seconds, fam. We got this. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Heart rate should be up. Mine's quite high. Mine's a good 138. All right, 15 seconds break more. After that, you can be sprawled. If you don't know what a sprawl looks like, watch here, please. Go down, palm on the floor, go back, open, close, come in, stand up tall. That's all you gotta do, all right? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Palms on the floor. Feet go back, open your heels, close your heels, come back in. Stand up, no jump required at the top, okay? Keep going, fam. Up. Remember, guys, when you go in that high plank position, your palms should be right under your shoulder, okay? Good, good, good. Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Break. Beautiful. Those 5 exercises done. We go again. We go one more round of the same. All right, this time I want you to push yourself that bit harder. Challenge yourself to do better than the first round, okay? That's all you gotta do. Remember, if you want a sip of water, you can do that during your breaks, okay? We go in 3, 2, 1. Shuffles one more time. That's all. That's it. Perfect. Remember, you can either keep your guard up or you can just use your elbows to go opposite hand, opposite foot. 25 more seconds, fam. Come on, we got this. Stay on the ball of your foot once again. Recover from those sprawls. Control that breathing. That's it. 10 more seconds. Three, 2, 1. Excellent. Break, break, break. Next one. In and out squat. And this one, I want you to pick up the pace that bit much, okay? Than the previous round that you did. This, pick up the pace. Give your best, okay? We got 5 more seconds of break. 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's go. Drop those hips as low as you can. Touch the floor. Come back up. Drop your hips. Touch the floor. Come back up. Back stays straight, okay? Back stays straight. Right there. Keep going. Remember, the intensity completely depends on you. You can go as fast as you want, which you're just working for 40 seconds. Or you could just pace it according to yourself, so you survive those 40 seconds, okay? Your call, guys. 10 more seconds with me, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Excellent. 20 seconds breather. After this, we go twist jumps. Basically from 9, 12, 3, 12, 9 again. Remember, the objective is to turn that torso as much as we can. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, let's go. Remember, I don't want you jumping too high. Just slight jumps on the spot and keep turning as much as you can. Right there. Work those obliques. Remember, the faster you do it, the faster your heart rate goes up, the more you burn calories, okay? So let's try keeping that intensity high for the next 10 seconds only. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Great job, guys. Take that breather. We're going high knees now. I'm going to give you the other profile. You got to tell me which one's better, left or right, yeah? Last time I gave you the right profile. This time, left profile for high knees while running forward and back. Cool? 5 seconds break. Get ready. Really want you to drive those knees as high as possible. And let's go. Drive those knees. Come back. Remember, guys, if you don't have a mat, I just want you to go, say, 5 steps forward and then come back. Work those elbows. For this, I want you to imagine that you're running forward and back. Keep going. We're almost there, guys. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Last one, fam. We got sprawls lined up. Give it your best. Your target in the next 40 seconds should be 10 reps, okay? So you gotta give me 10 reps at the lowest. If you can do that, that's a pat on your back. All right, last set, guys. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Feet back, open, close. Come in, stand up. That's it. Keep your core engaged when you throw those toes back. That's 4 for me. We got 25 more seconds. Remember, I don't want you to jump up. 7. For me, that's 8. 9 done for me. We got last 5 seconds. Woo! And 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Very well done, Box Fit fam. If you hit those 10 legs like I did, could have squeezed in an 11th one, but I took it easy. I hope you didn't. I hope you put in your best. My heart rate's a solid 162. I promised you one thing, that we're going to take our heart rate high. Make sure we burn those calories, all right? Perfect. That's your 10-minute workout, guys. Once again, thank you for coming in. Thank you for tuning in. Keep going. Stay consistent. Until next time, this is Akhil Mehra saying bye-bye.